Hey guys, welcome, it's Dior, and today we're going to be cleaning some Wotherspoon Air Max 97s with some Markk I bought off of Amazon and some warm water. The main reason these things need a wash is for the dirty laces, the chipped and dirty midsoles from general wear and use, and also the soles are dirty as well. Might as well clean them while we are cleaning the shoe. Insoles as well, I'll try to be delicate, but they are hard to clean since the material is very delicate. Let's go ahead and open up our new bottle of Markk, pour it in the bowl, and go ahead and get started. For this wash, we're going to be using the Essential bristle brush that comes with the kit, and we're just going to be dipping it here into the water with the soap and getting started. We are going to start from the midsole and work our way up the silhouette of the shoe as we continue. Oh yeah, don't forget to untie your laces and also put them into the solution so they can wash while you're washing your shoe. As you can see, the tongue is very dirty from where the laces. This is the finished product. They came out pretty decent. The only thing that's still noticeable is the paint that's missing from the sole. The tongue on the laces is pretty clean. The soles are also very clean. Once again, we did use the Markk cleaner and the Essential kit with the bristle brush that comes with it for this cleaning. The back tabs were also very clean, and so is the heel of the shoe. The side profile, another side profile, and here's me trying them on. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and also please feel free to comment. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, this is Dior signing out.